Hi, I am Eben Haber and I work at IBM Research in San Jose, California. And for the last 7 years, I have been studying people like you, system administrators.
What do you mean by that, studying system administrators?
We've been pretending that we were anthropologists, and we've been going out in the field with video cameras and notebooks, and we've been following system administrators around, trying to understand the tools they use and how they work, and maybe get some insights into how their work could be better.
What are some of the things that you've learned?
A lot of this is not going to be a surprise to the people working in the field, but we're hoping to sort of be able to bring the story of you guys to outsiders so that your boss or your CIO can better understand what's going on. Things that surprised us, one, were just how collaborative system administration is, just how much working together people have to do, that they really need to have better tools for communicating amongst themselves, for sharing information, because working together is critical to solving the problems that you guys face. Another thing is just how insanely complex the systems are. They're getting worse every year. They're getting bigger and more pieces put together and more people who have to manage those pieces.
Is there anything you'd like to tell us about the keynote?
In my keynote, I'm going to be talking about all of our different findings from our studies, hopefully in terms that even a manager can understand. And I'm going to be showing videos that really highlight the points that we've found about system administration life. And some of these videos are pretty amusing as well.
What makes you excited about this conference?
I like system administrators. After spending time following them around with cameras, I really like you guys. You work really hard, you're really smart, and spending time with you is actually interesting. I may be surprised, but I enjoy it. And so I'd like to hear more back from you. Perhaps you can help me help fix any misunderstandings that remain. But I'm excited to see what the state of the art is in system administration work, because it is changing. I've been looking at this long enough to see it is changing over time, and I want to see where things are and where they're going. And I'm excited in talking to you guys and in hearing your points of view.
Why should people come to this conference?
People should come to this conference because it has a great training track. It has great plenary speakers, not just me. I've seen some of the other people talking, and they are very good too. And the talks are interesting, the training is great, and because you'll see some pretty cool stuff. System administrators are the people who keep the IT infrastructure of the world running. You guys are important.